Hey, hello everyone. What I got here is next level. Ferrari model with a lot of details in a 1/64 scale. And already the packaging is looking very good. U2 812 Superfast Gray. Here we got some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay, let's open it. Then we got some sort of business card. Thank you for purchasing U2 models. Blah, blah, blah. Freeze the frame. Then you can open the box like this. Ooh, I like this. Sticky fingers. Okay, so here it is. We see it comes in a nice display case. Okay. There's a little bit of tape here. There we go. That is looking amazing, right? Okay, let's put some extra light on. Novitec A12 and Largo limited edition. This is number 60 out of 399. Yeah, I call that a limited. There are even holes in the brake disc. Nice yellow brake claw. Got the Ferrari logo here on the side. Let's do it like this. No silver paint or tape on the side mirror. No, it's lanced. Now look at the interior. Yeah, we got lots of details in there. A little bit difficult to see. We see there even there. Doesn't focus that right. Okay, unfortunately, a dark window here in the back, but I believe the engine is here in the front. Very nice looking back with a Novitec license plate. Exhaust tips in silver, lanced rear lights. Nice carbon spoiler. And here also a carbon thingy on top of the roof. Here it says Ferrari. Not sure if you can see it. Then we got the dashboard right here. Let's see if I can get some light. We do see a yellow Ferrari logo in the middle of the steering wheel. Okay, let's take this car off the base. Okay, here we can see there's even a Ferrari right here. Here it says Ferrari in the middle. Okay, and the side mirrors also have some carbon fiber looks. Okay, let's take it off the base. Okay, this... I'm a little bit disappointed by the base. I was expecting a little bit more. Oh, there it goes. 2 holes in here. I also see that this is a resin model. This is not a diecast model. Yeah, you get a lot more details. And the car looks amazing. But it's no diecast. Another downside from racing cars, most of the time they are a lot more expensive. You would expect that diecast is more expensive, but forget about it. Okay, nice wheels. The ones in the back look a little bit wider, but I don't think it is. I think they're the same size. Yeah, what can I say about it? Awesome looking car in a 1/64 scale. I bought this one on AliExpress and I will leave the link in the description. There you can find the price. It is not cheap, I can tell you. If you like racing cars, yeah, this is what you need. Perfect brand for racing cars. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of racing cars. They are a little bit too light. Doesn't feel right, you know. But looks, details, perfect. Totally perfect. Okay, let me know what you think. And don't forget, thumbs up. You really helped me with that. Have a nice day. Happy hunting. Bye.